Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be learning the difference between BODMAS and BIDMAS. This is the question that we'll be working through today using the operation of BODMAS or BIDMAS. You can decide to pause the video at this point and attempt the question for yourself, or you can continue working it with me. Before we go ahead, we first need to know our definitions of BIDMAS and BODMAS. The only difference we can see is between our I in BIDMAS and our O in BODMAS. B stands for bracket, D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S subtraction. Our I in BIDMAS for my UK viewers stands for indices, example, x squared. And our O in BODMAS stands for orders for my Caribbean viewers, which for example is x squared or square root 4. Since we know our rules, we can now move forward to work in our example. Our rules are there for questions that might have multiple operations in them. For example, if we have a question with brackets, division, multiplication, etc., we will refer to our BODMAS rules, and we know that we will need to solve the bracket first, then our indices or orders, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, etc. And that's how we'll find the correct answer to our question. Here is our question. We have 10 plus 5 squared divided by 5 plus 4 times 6 minus 2 in bracket square root 16. According to our BODMAS rule, we have to simplify our bracket first. We know square root 16 is equal to 4 because 4 squares is equals to 16. And that is multiplied by negative 2. Then we need to simplify our indices, which is 5 squared. So we're going to write that as 10 plus 5 squared, which is 5 fives, 25. And that is going to be divided by 5 plus 4 times 6. Going back to our BODMAS rule again, we're going to simplify our brackets. And from my previous video, which you can check out above on your right, we know that negative multiplied by positive would equal to a negative number. Hence, we will have a negative 8. Then we need to now simplify our fraction. So we have 10 plus 5, and that would equal to 35 divided by 5 plus 4 times 6. We now need to simplify our fraction once again. And now we have 35 divided by 5, and that would equal to 7 plus 4 multiplied by 6 minus 8. According to BODMAS, we now need to simplify our multiplication. So we have 7 plus 4 times 6 is equal to 24 minus 8. We now need to simplify our addition, that is according to BODMAS. 7 plus 24 is equal to 31 minus 8. Now we simplify our subtraction, and we have 31 minus 8 is equal to 23. For those of you who have attempted the question at the beginning and you got your answer as 23, congratulations, you got it correct. With that said, that brings us to the end of this week's video. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of every new video as soon as they come out. For now, thank you so much and see you next time. Bye!